Welcome, in front of me is a KODAK K12, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. Okay, so to get started, we will need to turn off our device, and we can do so by holding the power button, and from the boot options select power off. Now when the device turns off, we're gonna hold power button and volume down. At least I'm presuming it's going to be volume down. I haven't checked yet, but let's start with that. If I can actually hold it correctly. Let's try that again. There we go. So I'm pressing both of them, power and volume down. Now I am going to let go of the power button while holding volume down. And yep, there we go. There is our recovery mode. Sorry for the focus. There we go. This should hopefully solve it a little bit. There we go. So in this mode, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate through the options. So as an example, volume down, I think it's this one, right? Yep. We'll navigate down, and volume up will navigate up, while power button will confirm whatever is selected. Now with that out of the way, let's go over the options. So here we have things like Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Then we got the Reboot to bootloader, which I presume here will take us to fastboot mode, which is also what the second option will do. Next, we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So anyway, I'm going to stick with the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will now bring me back to Android. And you can see we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.